I've been able to gain 2,000 watch hours coupled with 2,000 subscribers under 100 days. Do you know that there is a clear thing to do in your YouTube studio? And that is why in most of my videos, I take time to actually take you through the YouTube studio. It is very important to master the YouTube studio settings. And hey, you are not getting the subscribers, the views, you're actually not getting the watch hours, all because you are not actually making good use of the YouTube studio settings. And that's exactly what I'm going to unveil and reveal to you in this particular video. So if you're a small YouTuber, after this particular video, you are going to take your channel to a different level. I will send you straight away to the YouTube studio to show you some settings that I turn on, and then there are some of them that you need to turn off. Now at my YouTube studio, I'm using the Chrome version. Let me show you the watch hours. Let's go to where we have the N, actually the dollar sign over here. Okay, you can see that over there. So let's click on the N. So that is it. I'm having 2,086 out of 1,000 subscribers. Actually, I've passed that one. That's why I don't see the line over there. Great. And now the watch hours, 2,090 public watch hours. These are some of the things that you need to do. So I've started showing you the settings that you need to do with my studio. Please do well to pay massive attention whenever you create a channel. If you've not done these, please do well to do that. The first thing, make sure you complete the basic, that is two-step verification. If you have not done this two-step verification, please do it as soon as possible. If you face any challenge, let me know at the comment section. I will guide you on that. Actually, I have a video on this two-step verification, how to verify your phone number and all that. And then you must also be able to follow community guidelines. It is ticked green. That means there's no violation on my channel. Let's get to the customization. That's very important over here. So when you're using a PC, you check at the left side, you're going to see all these features over there. That's it, this one. So you click on that. That's the customization. Now when you get to the customization over here, this is the profile. Okay, at your profile you have your channel link, and that's your channel URL. Now we have links. Okay, these links are the ones that shows when someone checks or visits your YouTube channel. I will show you how it shows at your YouTube channel homepage. All right, so I've added subscribe and turn on the bell. Buy me a coffee. Check out my second channel with those links over there. Chat me on WhatsApp, follow me. So if you have other links, you can place them over here. So that let us get to the YouTube home tab. This is the YouTube home tab. All right, great. So we are going to click on that. Good. So now when you visit here, in my recent video I showed you how to turn this on. So you will see this white thing over there. Click on this white thing, this thing, just select it, it should be white like this. It is after you have been able to turn that on that you get all these features I'm going to talk about. The next one is channel trailer. I've been able to set the channel trailer with an engaging video. In my recent videos I talked about this one, so make sure you actually set the channel trailer. It should be one of your powerful videos on your channel, so that when people visit your channel, this particular video will actually give them a gist about your channel, and it will help them to stay on your channel as well. Now, featured video for returning subscribers, those who have subscribed to your channel before and they have left, now when they visit your channel again, this is the video they are going to see. So this one, to set a very powerful video over here so that it catches their attention back to your channel. Don't just set any video just like that over there. Some people don't have all these here. That is why I'm very serious and I'm very keen over here. Please, if you don't have all these settings, do well to set them now, right now, after watching this particular video. Then we get to the For You section. Now the For You simply talks about YouTube want to recommend your videos, and so they ask you the type of videos that you want them to recommend to other people for you. Either the long form videos, I have taken that. Either the short, I have taken that. Either the live stream, I have taken that, because I make live streams, I make short form video, I make long form videos as well. So depending on the type of niche and the types of video you make, you base on that to select your preference. All right, you also select the recency. You want YouTube to recommend either all your videos or the recent videos in the last 12 months. This one, let me take time to explain. You can select the recent videos if your channel is maybe less than 12 months, or your channel may be more than 12 months, but the old videos, maybe you don't want people to watch them anymore. Maybe they are not of value and you have now upgraded yourself, so you don't want people to watch your old videos. That is when you can select the recent content. But if all your videos are updated, you want people to watch all your videos, that may select the first one, all content that is recommended. When you finish, don't forget to press on the done over here before you leave. Now let's proceed. After that, the next thing you come to is the links over here. All right, these ones. Okay, so this is how you're going to set all these. They are very important. You get to this side, add section. As you can see, we have add section. So over there on your channel, when people visit your channel, they are going to see what you want them to see over there, the home page of your channel. It's either you want them to see your popular videos like these ones. You have shown the popular videos to be the first, and then the videos itself from the channel, all right, the current ones, and then the single playlist. The first place is how to monetize your channel, so videos from this playlist will proceed from there. And then the next one, master YouTube growth, will also follow. And then YouTube studio hacks is also another playlist. And then I've also added a playlist from my exploration channel, that is African Talent Spotlight, discover hidden gems. So you can see them over here. These one are from my other channel, so this is another way to promote your videos from your other channels as well. Do all these by selecting this one, add section over here. So you get to add section. Let me click on add section. Let's see what is going to happen. Good. So when you click on add section, you see we have channel trailer. I've set it. We have spotlight for returning subscriber. I've set it. For you, I've set it. Videos, I've set. Popular, I've set it. Now short videos, I've not set. Live, now I've set. Past live streams, upcoming live. So all these are what you can set. All right. All these are what you can set on your main homepage, and that's exactly what I decided to take you through, and that's exactly what has helped me to gain the 2,000 watch hours and the 2,000 subscribers. After being able to set all these, you see, it takes your channel to a different level, to a professional level, and so it throws a signal to the YouTube algorithm that hey, this channel is really professional and it's being handled by a human being, not a bot. And so what it happens that way, your chances of getting recommended, your videos getting recommended, is very, very high. Now the next one is, let's go to the settings. This is the settings tab. You click on the settings. Let's click on that straight away. Let's go to the channel. Let's click on channel. Now when we click on channel, this is exactly what is going to show. We have basic info. Now you have keywords. We should include keywords that are about your niche. So I'm making videos about YouTube growth tips, and for you small YouTubers, how to grow on YouTube, and small YouTuber tips and stuff like that. So you should be able to set all these keywords. Some people don't know, they've not said that. Please do what to set that, and it's going to help you a lot. So please, if you want to get all these powerful tips and tricks and hacks to grow your YouTube channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button right now. Just click on the subscribe button right away so that you be part of this beautiful family. Actually, there's a number of testimonies, a lot of people that my channel tutorials have actually helped them, and that's what I want you also to benefit from that. So please do well to actually subscribe to this channel, and let's proceed from there. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, turn it on, so that whenever there is a video, you can also be part of that particular video. So that's exactly what I decided to take you through in this particular video. Atta Smart is here to actually guide you to be able to progress on YouTube. And so what are you waiting for? Have you not started your YouTube channel? Do start your YouTube channel now. God bless you so much for sharing this particular video. And if you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you'll be part of this wonderful family.